In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error of there has been an error in the Microsoft Store, normally when you're trying to install a new application. If you are having this issue, the first thing we need to do is head on down to the search bar and type in services and then click the icon. With this open, we now want to scroll all the way to the bottom until we find Microsoft Store Install Service. From here, you want to double click, and then under Startup Type, swap this to Automatic, and then under Service Status, press Stop. Then click Apply, and then press OK to close the window. Now what we want to do is open it up again and then press Start. We can press OK and close this window. Again, navigate to your search bar and search for Settings. On the left, click System and scroll down until you find System Components. And then here you'll be able to see Microsoft Store. What we want to do is navigate to the right and there'll be three dots. Click the three dots and click Advanced Options. Scroll down slightly and you will see Repair under the Reset header. Just click that. Once that's repaired, click the Reset button. Once that's done, you can now close that window. And if we go back to the Microsoft Store, click on a random application or the application that you intended to download, you should now be able to install it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.